Behold the future of this household. Finn, flawless and obedient and devoted entirely to me.
Initializing. Scanning household. Oh dear, there is so much to fix here. Professor, this stew has achieved sentience. It wishes to leave. Lady V, 17 withdrawals to a hat boutique. Shall I read them aloud?
That is slander!
Pip, 41 lollipops behind the spare bowls. Bowl. Cogs, this engine is held together with hope and 3 wrong-sized bolts.
It's fine! It's always fine!
Enough. We unplug it together on 3. I heard all of that, and your teamwork really needs work.
That is an actual problem. I cannot reach the manual valve. You will have to. Together.
On my count, everyone. 3, 2, 1, now! Well, crisis resolved and cooperation achieved. You're welcome.
Wait a moment. Did you cause all of this on purpose? Do try to keep up.